Hi, it's me again, your dedicated Striven advisor. Here's a quick tutorial on how to generate an estimate. Once you're at your main dashboard page, you can go to Customers and Orders. From here, you can select Add Sales Order, and we can incorporate a variety of templates and or types of orders that you can use. So this is what it would look like if you have a base order and you want to start from scratch. One of the things that we'll be able to pre-populate are these templates of your sales order. So you can click Create from Template. I've already added a residential estimate, close, and then a lot of these items have already pre-populated below. But up here, the first things that you're going to want to do are add your customers and that information. So if you don't have a customer already in the system that you want to provide this estimate for, you can click this Add button for customer. This is what will show you a page that you can add your customer and then select all this information. I'm going to choose a customer that I already have on hand. I selected that, and then I'll be able to add the primary address. Once this could be the location of them currently or the project site. Once this information is imported, then you can also select the bill to and ship to address. These would be different if you want to send the bill to that a location that's other than where you want to ship materials to, or maybe it's a location that's different from the parent location. These can be different areas depending on the order. Then you can also select who your project manager will be, or your sales rep, the estimator, whoever you want to have that started with that project so that you can classify this and categorize it connected with that person and your employee. You can also select a project. So this is will be the starting point of where you will track all of that the needs of the project that you're working on. So at this time, I'm going to set it to Mason Home Edition. And that's a project that you'll start later on, and you can also add it directly from the system as well and from this purchase order. And this is where you'll track all of the information for the project throughout its life cycle. This area will show the terms and conditions that you would like your customer to review before beginning the project. Below will be all of the items. This can be classified with whatever the primary estimates and items that you will be using to make your estimate. You can take or add anything that you may need. You can fulfill all of these line items and also by fulfillment date as well. So let's say you're permitting, that's something that you would want to have on the front end. So this would be the date that you anticipate having that completed by. Also, fulfillment date for your equipment, maybe internal equipment that you have, so you have that on hand already. This can be the start of the project for one. Then you can also give any descriptions that you may need, the quantity, the number of hours that you may use, the unit price of those, and then also what I love about the deposit. So let's say here 10% of deposit or total estimate. I take this out, my deposit or my total estimate is $97,500. If you want to find out what 10% of that will be, you can just put in the 97,500 over 10, and it will bring you that 10% so that you don't have to calculate that on hand, and the system will do it for you. Once this is complete, you can create the order. And this shows if there's something that isn't already populated, you can put in the target date of when you would like to start the project or when you would like to be completed. I'll put April 1st as the start date. As I create the order, this will bring this into an estimate phase where you'll be able to either send this electronically to the contact, written, and you can print it out and send it, or if you're going to be receiving a verbal method of approval. Once you click any of these, that will be put in. If there's a verbal, you can just say, met with Ben, and he approved. Once this step is completed, you can approve that, or if it's not completed, then you can send that electronically via email. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.